Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to build in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio. When it loads, click on the button that says Base Plate. This will give you a flat surface where you can build anything. Look at the top of the screen. You will see a menu with different tabs. Click on the one called Home. This tab has most of the tools we need for basic building. Now, let's add our first object. In the Home tab, click on the Part button. You will see a cube appear on the base plate. This is called a part. You can also choose other shapes from the small arrow next to the Part button. The options are block, sphere, wedge, and cylinder. For now, we will use the block shape. Click on the block to select it. You will see small handles appear around it. These handles let you change the size and position. At the top, you will see tools called Move, Scale, and Rotate. Move lets you drag the part to a new place. Scale lets you make it bigger or smaller. Rotate lets you turn it in different directions. Try clicking Scale and dragging one of the green handles. This will make the block longer or taller. Click Move and use the arrows to place it anywhere on the base plate. If you click Rotate, you can spin it so it faces another way. You can also change the color of your part. With the block still selected, look for the color box in the Home tab. Click it and choose a color you like. You can also change the material so it looks like wood, metal, or plastic. The Material button is next to the Color button. If you want more parts, just click the Part button again and another shape will appear. You can place them next to each other to make simple structures like a wall, a table, or even a small house. To make a copy of a part, right-click on it and choose Duplicate. Then use Move to place the new part where you want it. When you are done, click the Play button at the top to test your build. This will let you walk around and see your creation in the game. That is the simplest way to start building in Roblox Studio. You can use these same tools to make bigger and more complex builds as you learn more. Thanks for watching.